Hey, what's up, everyone? The Amateur Sage here, reminding you that you're worthy of divine love. In today's video, I just want to share with you guys, like, how easy it is to sort of, like, eat healthy, guys. Like, you don't have to really overthink it, per se. Well, it's supposed to be a quick video, and I'm overthinking what to say. Long story short, we got your waffles here, and of course, that's, like, quote-unquote bad or whatever. But yeah, man, I just put like seasoning. Like this stuff here, guys, is called Chime. Just add seasoning. That's really the main point of the story. Let me show you what seasoning is, okay? Like if you're making the meal healthy, that's great. But just add some seasoning. So let me just show you guys. Like, like that counts. You can put paprika in it. Like I like to have salt and stuff. Even if you guys use this stuff, which actually has like what's it called? MGS and all that, like has words I can't pronounce, like tricalcium phosphate, you know? Like you can add like a little bit of that, you know? I like stuff like this where if you read all of it, you're kind of not like freaked out about what you're eating. So yeah, or even if like grace is a good concept. So yeah, guys, the point is if you want to go vegetarian, you want to go vegan, and for the record, this has eggs in it, right? It just has a lot more vegetables than eggs, but this has 2 eggs in it, plus like a lot of chopped up ingredients, like plants and more plants. But yeah, you can always just add that, and so that's the point. It's about to be 2 minutes. Let me get out of here. Yeah, even something like oil, man, just add it, man. Just add it. I even use like, even if you have to use like corn or corn oil and stuff like that. Like the main mystery to eating delicious is seasoning, okay? Because it doesn't matter what you eat. If it don't taste delicious, and you're probably not going to notice it. Well, that's me. I'm speaking on behalf of those people. So maybe you don't eat delicious and you're fine with it. Shout outs to you too. With that being said, the Amateur Sage, reminding you that you're worthy of divine love. And I'm out. Until next video.